now. So, what according to you is skincare? Skincare is very basic, and लोगों को लगता है skincare is just on the external, but the fact is it has both internal and the external, which is equally important. So let's quickly, before we start with going on to the external factor, talk about the internal factor a little bit. इंटरनल में हमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि क्या टाइप का न्यूट्रिशन हम अपने बॉडी में डाल रहे हैं. राइट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, एडिक्वेट वाटर लेना बहुत जरूरी है. सेकेंड, गुड फूड which is good in iron, antioxidants, high fiber food like fruits, fresh vegetables, spinach, strawberries. वो सारे फ्रूट्स एंड वेजीज जो आपकी बॉडी की आयरन कंटेंट, आपका हेमोग्लोबिन बढ़ाती है. बीट रूट and good amount of sleep, that also is a very high point when it comes to skincare routine, or even when it comes to your overall body health. And of course we cannot miss out on daily exercising, yoga and meditation. Okay, now having said that, let's quickly jump on to the external part of doing facial exercises, some stretches, some kind of toning and lifting, so that our faces look absolutely fresh since we are entering the festive season. So one quick check, are we having clean hands? Haath clean hai? Nails trimmed hai? Yes. And do we have our oil, facial oil, or if you have your moisturizer, आपको वही यूज करना है जो आप डेली यूज कर रहे हैं. कुछ भी नया मार्केट से सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, because it is important that it suits your skin type. ठीक है? So without further delay, let's begin with facial stretches first. So today we will learn a different stretch which is called the swan neck. ठीक है? करना क्या है? It is very simple. पहले तो relax your shoulders down, keep your spine erect. First start with closing your eyes. Have a smile on your face. आप कुछ इतना beautiful करने जा रहे हैं, चेहरे पे एक मुस्कुराहट बनाएं. Take a nice long joyful breath in. नाक से एक लंबी गहरी सांस लें. And a joyful breath out. नाक से ही सांस छोड़ें. Internally feel that happiness within before starting anything in your life. And very slowly and gently open your eyes. Now, before we start this swan neck exercise, those who have vertigo issues, please be very careful कि आपका जो neck positioning मैं आपको जैसे बता रही हूँ, आप वैसे ही रखें. आप over extend कुछ भी ना करें. At any point आपको लग रहा है कि जैसे थोड़ी चक्कर जैसी issue हो रही है, please वापस normal position पे आ जाए. Okay? So, how we will begin is, our shoulder is relaxed. You tilt your face to a 60 degree. ठीक है? 60 डिग्री तक अपने फेस को लेके जाना है. And tilt it upwards in a 45 degree angle. And now you will just cover your lower lip with your teeth. As soon as you do that, you will immediately feel a slight stretch on this entire neck region, as well as your front neck. And let's be here for a count of 20. You can keep your eyes open or closed as per as what you are comfortable with. And let's begin. And relax, slowly bring your head down, keeping your eyes closed, and bring it back to the center. Very gently open your eyes. You would immediately feel something in your forehead and a nice stretch on this side. You can already feel the difference, I'm sure, because I can feel it very clearly. ये side ज़्यादा stretch लग रहा है, and now let's get on to the other side. Once again, tilt your head 60 degrees and upwards 45 degrees. Cover your teeth with your lower lip. And slowly close your eyes. Relax. Come back to the center. Take a nice long deep breath in. And gently breathe out. And slowly you may open your eyes. I'm sure your neck is feeling already elongated and stretched. So now let's come with uplifting our entire upper face region. Okay, so from your eyes to your forehead and releasing all the wrinkles and the facial muscles on your upper face. Let's start with the C eye. So इसमें करना क्या है? First, everybody make a C with your hand, with your index finger and your thumb. Now, important part here is how you place it. Okay, so I will show it on one side. One hand is above the eyebrow and one is ये जो हमारा circle eye का circle होता है उसके नीचे. Okay, just above your cheekbone. Now, don't ये gapping नहीं होनी चाहिए. You can see this gap. This has to be covered. So your hand has to be placed completely on your face. Okay, so there is no gapping now. Do the same thing on the other side. ठीक है? एक बार ये C shape बन गया, then what you have to do is you have to try to press your eyebrows down with your index finger. But when you are doing this, you are at the same time simultaneously widening your eyes. So this is how you will do it. Widen your eyes, but at the same time यहाँ पे हम उसको नीचे push कर रहे हैं. तो आइडियली समझ में नहीं आना चाहिए कि आईब्रो नीचे जा रहा है, बट हम एट द सेम टाइम उसको ऊपर लेके जा रहे हैं. Are you understanding? There are two movements that are happening here. One, stretching your eyebrow up, but when you are doing this, ensure you are not creating any lines on your forehead. तो उतना ही करें जितना आपके forehead पे lines ना आए. And एक इंडेक्स फिंगर की फ्रंट से आईब्रो को नीचे पुश करने की कोशिश करें. So it is a double movement that is happening over here, and you have to do this 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax, let the C shape be. We are going to repeat this 2 more times. Okay, so once again, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. If you wish to close your eyes, you can do that, or you can just be here. Very important, look at the shoulder positioning and the elbows. They are always going upwards and outwards. Let's go for round 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and slowly relax. Close your eyes. You will instantly feel like, there is a gush of blood flow over there in that area, your upper head, your upper face. You'll feel a nice stretch. Take a nice long deep breath in. And gently breathe out through the nose. And slowly you may open your eyes. Excellent. I'm sure you can already feel some, stretching, some lifting happening. So now let's get on to our oil. हाथ में oil ले ले. We will get on to the 5-zone massage. Okay. 5-zone massage. Quickly take the oil, rub it, activate the ingredients. And let's begin with the L swipes. 1, lift it up, take it back and down. And on the upper eye and forehead, lift it up, take it back and down. Okay, now let's begin with zone 1. So hold your skin here and let's start. 1, 2, 3. Ensure you wiggle at the end so that we build a muscle memory of lifting. 3, 4, 5, and 6. And relax. Zone 2 on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and wriggle and relax. Let's do the same thing on the left side. Zone 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. Zone 2. Lift, swipe and lift. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and relax. Now let's get on to zone 3. So under our eyes, if you wish to take a little more of oil, do that. And let's start with under the eye sweeps. So press your point at the tear duct and swipe, lift, back, drain, and relax. Swipe, lift, drain, and relax. One last time, swipe, lift, drain, and relax. Same thing on the upper eyelid. Press, swipe, lift, and drain. Press, swipe, lift, and drain. Press, swipe, lift, and drain. Excellent. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Ready? Press, swipe, lift, and drain. Press, swipe, lift, and drain. Press, swipe, lift, and drain. On the upper eyelid, press, swipe, lift, and drain. Continue 2. And last one. And relax. Let's get on to zone 4, our forehead. Let's do the forehead swipes. So let's start with the center and go all the way till the end and wriggle. Center, all the way till the end, wriggle. One more time, center, all the way till the end, wriggle. And let's do 10 swipes across the forehead. So take some oil if you need to, or your moisturizer. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And take 3 circles clockwise on your temple, anti-clockwise, and release. Excellent. Last zone left, zone 5, our neck region, X swipes. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's just press our under the collarbone, some lymphatic drainage, and relax. So that is it for today. I am sure you can already see that your face looks more lit up, it looks more lifted and more fresh. Okay, so continue practicing, and few things to take care of. Continue your cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and SPF routine for morning, and cleanser, toner, moisturizer routine for night care. And we will see you all soon. Bye.